In this video, I'm going to guide you how to erase a specific part in a photo on Canva with just a simple technique. So it should be a pretty straightforward video and just involve a couple of steps. So let's get started. So as in this image, as you can see, there are different elements on this table. And let's say we want to erase this ginger here. So all you have to do is just go to the edit menu and you will find here Magic Studio. Now guys, if you're not using the pro version, I truly recommend you that because it has some amazing features in the AI and you can do magical things in Canva. So if you want to subscribe, you can just visit Facebook and there are a lot of affordable options with which you can get the pro version. Just contact them. There are different groups and they should be able to provide you with the Canva pro version. So all you have to do is just click on this magic eraser. It can do wonders. As we can see here, I've selected this and you can just increase or adjust your brush size. And let's say I want to remove this one. So just select this and click on erase. It will take some time to process and sometimes it doesn't erase it perfectly. So in that case, what you can do is just use the other function, that is magic grab. What it will do is it will grab the objects on the table. So let's say I want to grab this one. So what you can do is in this case, you can just select the brush size and you can mark what you want to grab and just click on grab here. And as we can see, now we can delete this and we have the clean background here. Similarly, the erase function also works quite good. So let's try the erase function again. Let's go to magic eraser and let's say I want to remove this one from the table. Just make sure that you select it precisely. So just let me just select this in a precise way so that I don't select some extra parts and then click on erase. So as we can see, it erased that perfectly. And you can also do a couple of more tries if it missed something like this part. So we can erase that later on as well, like this. So as we can see guys, it works perfectly. And if you want to see more tips about the Canva amazing functions, you can check out the playlist link in the description. Also, if you want to join our complete course, you will find the course link in the description as well. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and comment down below if that works for you. And I will see you in the next one.